Welcome everyone to the second part of similarity of triangles. We have already looked upon the first two criteria for similarity of triangles, that is angle, angle, angle and side, side, side. Now we are going to look upon the side angle side and obviously the right angle triangle. Now let's proceed with firstly side angle and side. That is side, angle and side. So what does this side angle side says? Let's understand. I hope you are able to understanding. Firstly, if in two triangles ratio of two corresponding sides, ratio of two corresponding sides and an angle is equal, then triangles will be similar. So let's understand this using the given diagram. So here we have two triangles ABC and DEF. Now as per this side angle side theorem, what it says, that if in these two triangles the ratio of corresponding sides, that is what I am considering BE and DE, sorry, AB and DE. So AB upon DE, if it is equals to AC upon DF, AC upon DF, and this angle A, and over here angle D, angle A is equals to angle D, then what I can say, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. I hope it is clear to you, right? So again, the theory, the idea is somewhat similar, that if AC is the ratio of AC and DF, these two are same, and this angle in between them, see, side angle and side, side angle and side, this is what I want to say, right? Now let's see the proof. Proof is, I hope you are getting the pattern over here. What I am doing again and again, I am just again considering 2 points. Let's say there are 2 points P and Q, and again I am going to draw one construction. Now let P and Q such that, AB is equals to DP and AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ. AB is equals to DQ. Now as you can see, I have one given statement over here, that AB upon DE. So I can directly replace this AB by DP. So DP upon DE is equals to, I have AC upon DF. So AC can be replaced by DQ. DQ upon, this is what DQ, let's make it more clear, DQ upon DF, DQ upon DF. And if this is true, then in triangle DEF, what I can essentially say over here, that DP, if DP is equals to see, DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF, then what I can essentially say, that firstly PQ is parallel to EF, and if PQ is parallel to EF, then this angle P, and this angle Q, they will be correspondingly equal to angle E and angle F. So angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. Also this angle D is obviously common. Angle D is equals to angle D. So from where I can directly imply that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, right? And again, now let us look upon ABC and DPQ. As I know that AB is equals to DP, triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. I already know that AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ. Then also there is one thing that angle A is equals to angle D. This is also given. Angle A is equals to angle D. Then what I can essentially infer from here that as per side angle side congruency criteria, these triangles ABC would be congruent to triangle DPQ. Now again I am going to do the same analogy, that if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ and triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, then I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. I hope it makes sense to you. So that was all about side angle, side criteria. So let us have a look at our next criteria for similarity, that is right hand angle triangle, right? So in an right angle triangle, as you can see, that is ABC is a right angle triangle. Over here given is ABC is a right angle triangle, and what I have done, I have on the hypotenuse I have drawn a line AD, and this line AD is what is from opposite vertex, right? So AD is perpendicular to BC. BC is what? BC is nothing but hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse, right? So AD is perpendicular to hypotenuse. So as per this theorem, what it says, there are three things that primarily this theorem is all about. Firstly, triangle DBA, triangle DBA is similar to triangle ABC. The second standard is triangle DAC is similar to triangle ABC. That is, see, firstly DBA and then DAC, these two triangles should be similar to the bigger triangle. And the last one is, third one, that is triangle. Now we have compared the inner two triangle with the bigger triangle, and then the inner two triangle, they should also be similar. So triangle DBA should be similar to triangle DAC. These are the primarily three things that this RHS similarity criteria says. So let's prove each one of them one by one. Proof. Now as you can see over here, what I have is, see, ABC is a triangle again, and over here I have DBA. So what I am comparing this triangle to the bigger triangle. Now as you can see over here, there are two right triangles. Firstly, this angle over here, this is also a right angle triangle, right? This is also a right angle triangle. That is BDA, angle BDA is equals to nothing but, see, BDA is equals to 90 degree, and also in triangle ABC I have BAC, angle BAC, this is equals to 90 degree. So I hope it is pretty much clear to you. Now if I talk about this angle over here, this angle B, this is common in both the triangles, right? So angle in the smaller triangle, it is DBA, it is equals to, in the bigger triangle, CBA, angle CBA, which is nothing but common, which is common. And as you know, if in two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, then third one will also be equal. So this my AAA criteria can also be stated as AA. Obviously, if two corresponding angles are equal, then obviously third one will also be equal, and that is why AAA will follow. So as AA criteria, triangle DBA is similar to triangle ABC. So that was about my first proof. I hope it is making sense to you. Moving forward towards our next proof, and that is again similar to what we have just done. Earlier we are comparing this triangle with the bigger triangle. Now we are comparing this triangle with the bigger triangle. So the analogy will be same. How? As you can see, we have 90 degree, we have one common angle, right? So let's quickly wrap it up. Now, if I talk about the proof of this, so again, angle I have CDA, angle CDA will be equals to angle BAC, angle BAC, that is nothing but 90 degree. Similarly, what I can say, I have this angle C over here common. C is common in both the triangles. So DCA is equals to angle BCA, which is nothing but common. And again, if two angles are equal, the third one will also be equal. So as by AA criteria, what I can say, that triangle DAC will be similar to triangle ABC. Making sense? Great. So this is my second proof. Now let's proceed to our next one, and that is, we are talking about triangle DBA and DAC. Now in triangle DBA and DAC, what I can, one thing I can easily observe, that angle B, if I take triangle DBA, angle B plus angle DAB, they both make a sum of 90 degree, because the last angle is 90 degree and the sum of all the three angles should be 180 degree. So these two will make a sum of 90 degree. Similarly, if I talk about triangle DAC, in triangle DAC, as you can see, this angle is 90 degrees. So these two angles will make a sum of 90 degree also. So angle C plus angle DAC will also make 90 degree. And again, I can observe from here that CAD and DAB, these two angles over here are making a sum of 90 degree. Why? Because angle A is right angle triangle. So angle DAB plus angle DAC, they are already making a sum of 90 degree. I hope it is pretty much clear to you, right? That these two angles over here, these two angles are making a sum of 90 degree already, right? Now, if I put this third one equals to the first one, what I'll be getting is, see, DAB will be cancelled out and angle B will be equals to angle DAC. So what I can conclude from here, that angle B will be equals to angle DAC. Similarly, angle C will be equals to angle C. See, again, this third equation, let us put in front of this. DAC will be cancelled out and angle C will be equals to angle DAB, right? So this is what I have achieved. My two angles are already equal to each other, that is angle B is equals to DAC, that is this angle is equals to this one, and over here this angle is equals to this one, that I have already achieved. Now, as you can see, the third angle is already a right angle triangle. What? This ADC and ADB. Angle ADC and angle ADB, this is already a 90 degree. So what I can say, by AAA are these two triangles DBA, triangle DBA will be similar to triangle DAC. I hope it is making complete sense to you, and that is how we have proved all the three important results with respect to RHS similarity, right? So that was all about criteria for similarity. In the coming lectures, we are going to practice a lot of questions so that you get more hold on similarity. That was all about this lecture. Thank you so much.